How to use Bet365. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use Bet365, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to use Bet365, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, open up your browser, go to bet365.com, depending upon the country you live in, which will automatically redirect you to your respective sites. Now, first of all, I'm assuming you've already created or logged into your account. If you haven't created an account, tap the join option. If you already have an account, tap the login option. After your login, you will see this type of interface that says the league, you'll see the preseason, and you'll see any sorts of bets that are currently going on over here. Now here you'll see Bet365. The one that are currently on play, you have to go to the in play section, and these are the ones that are currently happening. But if you go to the home page here, you'll be able to see any sort of challenges or bets that you might want to place a bet on. So you can select a particular one that you like, and then all you have to do is you can choose to open up alerts, or maybe you can choose to participate in that particular game. Now if you come to the 3 lanes option here, you will find all of the other popular ones such as horse racing, greyhounds, harness racing, and you have Australian rules, depending rugby, and then you have basketball, cricket, cycling, darts, and any of the other ones that you might find, and then you will be able to find them respectively. That's all it takes to use Bet365. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.